Welcome to Chipper's Family Adventures. We're back with an update video. It's been really too hot to go do anything. There's burn bans on. The rattlesnakes are out heavy this year, and we have some kind of algae bloom in some of the lakes that I guess is poisonous. So we've been staying home and trying to wait for that to die down. But we're gonna have to wait for the heat to die off. So it'll quit blooming, I guess. Don't know. So we're kind of cooped up, and we've had camera problems getting those sorted out, and we've been getting a few little items here and there to make it easier this fall and this winter to do more. So one of the things we got was a Superfly Chillin' Gorilla tarp. It's a nylon, ripstop nylon, and it's got a waterproofing on it, and we're just going to put some tie outs on it because the eyelets that come with it, I don't know if you can see them here, but they're too small for the tent pegs to go through. So we're going to run some paracord we already pre-cut. We're going to run it through the nylon webbing that holds the eyelets on, and then we'll tie them in a, I forgot what kind of knot it is, and we'll just tie it on so we can stake it down to the ground easier for this fall. And we should have another one of these coming. So we'll let you know and keep you updated as much as possibly can. But it's just been in the 90s and 100s and just too hot. Alright, we're going to put one of these tie downs on each one of these. Hang on, bud. And I'll show you how to tie them in. You want to hold it for me?
Yeah.
Here, Laura. I'm going to show you.
Okay, do I just set them down?
Not yet.
Okay, tell me when.
Well, this one's really tight. We're going to take the paracord. If I can get it through here, because this one here is really tight.
I think all of them are daddy.
I just put it through the loop.
That's what I'm trying to do.
No, not that loop. The big plastic.
About like so. And then we're going to fold it over, and I forgot what knot this is.
Is this an overhand knot?
It's like an overhand knot with two pieces of paracord. Pull it tight. And now we have the plastic one we can use. And then we have a paracord one that we can just stick down and hold it closer down to the ground.
Okay.
Want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Let's go to this one.
So do I keep doing this or
No, hang on. I'll show you. You just take it.
Okay.
And you slide it through behind.
Okay.
You bring it up. Match up the ends. Give it a twist around each other.
I can do that.
And then you get both of them to go through. And then you just pull it tight. Just like that.
Okay.
Now we have the plastic. And now we have it on the nylon. Can you do that one? It's kind of hard to get it to go all the way through. Did you already get it?
Through?
You got it through faster than I did. Now match up the ends.
So like this.
Yeah.
And
Pull the ends through. Now pull that tight. Okay. Grab a hold there at the bottom. There you go.
that's not going anywhere.
Yeah. We got that one to do all the way around.
Wait.
This Chillin' Gorilla tarp is 10 by 10. And it's just perfect for what we're going to do this fall and this winter. And we're kind of trying to get our plans made up why it's hot and we're not doing anything. And then we'll show you the other reason why we haven't been doing much. I can tell you this much, we had a bad storm blow through. And it's been a lot of cleaning.
Oh,
And having to work on some trees. So we're going to finish this up and then we'll fold it up, put a ridgeline in it and leave it there maybe. And we'll just let you know what's going on and show you some stuff. So let's get ready to get these, Laura. You can do them. And what we did is we just took 100 foot of 550 cord. And this is going to be our ridge line for this stuff. And we're just going to carry it with us. You know, I'm going to do now is just hank it up.
That has 50 feet.
I have 50 feet of it after we split it in half. Just switching it between your hands, crossover. Pretty simple stuff. I bet you there's 100 videos out there that show you how to do this. We're just new to this stuff, so we don't know what's out there, what's not, who's doing what now.
A little more, Daddy.
Grab it by the center. Wrap it. Push it under if I can. And there is one of the ridge lines. All nice, and all you have to do to undo it is pull from here. And then it'll undo by itself and won't have a big old mess. And in no way are we affiliated with them. We just bought them off of Amazon. Chill Gorilla. Superfly. And they're lightweight and they're cheap, so that's what we got.
The Tarp comes with 6 guidelines and 4 stakes. Yeah, 4 stakes.
And that comes with 2.
2 bags. One big
for holding the tarp and the other for holding the stakes and guidelines.
Yep. One big one and one little one. The big one's for the tarp, the little one's for the... Well, you get the idea. Okay, well, this is our camouflage boat. It used to be silver. You know that silver boat? You hardly recognize it, right? Well, this is our new boat. Newest boat.
How many cans of paint does it take to do this?
9.
No.
About
8.
6.
How many?
6. 8. Wait.
6. Oh, you're right, 6. We got 2 more to do some touch up on it. And we're getting ready for hunting season and fishing, but
Yep.
it'll be our boat for hunting as well. Even though we can't really show that on YouTube, we will at least show you our breakfasts if we have them out there, and just little stuff we do when we're goofing off. And building blinds, which is kind of like, I guess, building shelters. I mean, we go pretty elaborate with them, don't we? You guys have fun with it, right?
Yeah. That's the best part until I get to realize it.
That's the best part, you get it up nice. So, that's what we've been doing here.
So basically, you guys are wondering how we got these cool leaf tires on. Basically, we just went to our maple tree and grabbed some maple leaves and sticks and all that and can use as a stencil.
Yeah, pretty much. And also we just made a little spot.
Sorry, I'm around.
You guys can't be swapping like that. I see a bunch of spots on the map.
Yeah,
Right up there by Laura.
Yeah, it looks like it's kind of...
See that right there through there? We got missed all that.
Well, they won't notice that, will they?
Yes.
Ah.
We'll find it. Made her enough.
Knock it off.
This is what happened to our tree about a week ago during a thunder and windstorm. Got most of it cleaned up.
Yeah, I'm still cleaning the rest.
Got some of it bucked up down there. And then a branch back here. And that branch, we had to cut it off the rest of the way. Made a mess. And there it is. See, I got more cutting to do on it. That's why we haven't been making a lot of videos lately. We have got lots and lots of yard work to do.
And this is how big that little tarp, that 10 by 10 tarp, folds down to. It may be a pound. So I thought it was worth it to lighten our load so we could go further and do more things. And that's it for us this week. Hopefully we can find the other battery charger for the other camera and we can start using that as well. We kind of misplaced it, don't know where, but we have to go through our camera stuff and see where it's at and see if we can figure out which one we use. I don't know. So, thank you for joining Chipper's Family Adventures. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up. And you have a nice, oh yeah, notification bell, thank you. And you have a nice evening.